Are you challenged with acquiring right-of-way or new lands for your capital and infrastructure projects? Whether you just need access to a small driveway or need to obtain 300 parcels, acquiring the land you need is never a simple process. Managing right-of-way using outdated software systems and mountains of Excel spreadsheets is tedious and time-consuming, and losing track of paperwork, necessary signatures, or negotiation status just makes it even more cumbersome. Introducing Aurigo Masterworks right-of-way product, which helps cities, counties, states, and public agencies streamline the end-to-end parcel acquisition and land management processes and avoid project delays. Aurigo's modern SaaS right-of-way product includes land and parcel management with an out-of-the-box Esri GIS integration that ensures everything is geolocated and in context of utility lines, property boundaries, and land features. Land acquisition processes, including templates for surveys, appraisals, leases, deeds, easements, offers and counteroffers, eminent domain, and relocation. Comprehensive document management for document approvals, electronic signatures, revisions, markups and storage. Reports and dashboards that keep you fully informed of every parcel's and project status. And built-in legal compliance with environmental clearance and public involvement tracking and a full audit trail of every activity. Aurigo Masterworks gives you everything you need for data-driven and geo-located management of right-of-way. Our product eliminates paper forms with online templates to create land acquisition and disposition legal documents, enables surveys and appraisals from the field via our mobile app even when there's no internet connection, tracks every workflow and approval, and simplifies reporting on federal compliance, environmental clearance requirements, compensation payments, and project impact analyses. Aurigo becomes your single source of truth for all your right-of-way information, relieving the frustrations and complications of working in multiple systems. That's why Aurigo's right-of-way product has been chosen by customers like Nevada DOT, Iowa DOT, Fort Bend County, Tampa Bay Water, and the region of York to manage the end-to-end land acquisition process. For more information, including a case study and testimonial video on how York Region of Canada's Property Services team streamlined land acquisition and expropriation processes using Aurigo Masterworks right-of-way, please visit our website or contact us for a demo today.